NewPower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff. Before starting the battery replacement process, be sure to sync your palm with your computer and remove the stylus. Remove the 6 screws on the back and sides of your palm as shown. Using the special tool provided in your kit from NewPower99.com, carefully open your palm as shown. Lift the original battery and disconnect. Replace the original battery with a new extended life battery from NewPower99.com. Connect the new battery. Gently snap your palm shut. Replace the 6 screws as shown. Turn on your palm with its newly installed battery from NewPower99.com. Your palm should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge the unit for at least 2 hours before continuing to use. NewPower99.com, your source for batteries for your cell phone, PDA, MP3 player, laptop, and more. NewPower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.